since SONAH is a startup with 12 employees, how is the fundamental operation of, and how is the overall operation? How would you describe it?
It's a little bit like a sandwich in the end, because there on top there are the executives, so the three founders and me, but we're also again on the very bottom of everything. So we of course design the way we work, we make the strategy where the company is going, we tell the different departments what to work on. But then again, if those people can't finish their jobs, because 70% of it is very dull work and 30% of it is really topic specific and we need their creativity, then guess what? We have to do the 70% dull work again. So we're basically sandwiching all the other people in the company with our work efforts. And if they don't have enough time, we have to make up for it. Although our employees work very hard and very long, but as very lucky for us, they do it by choice. And then we have three departments basically. One is sales, one is software, and one is hardware. And I'm also the leader of the hardware department, which has two employees, one project and hardware and production manager, and one Hiwi who basically does most of the production with help from us founders and me as an executive. And yeah, then we have the IT team, biggest team in our company, 4 developers, very creative people, and 2 people in the sales team. And they have, yeah, their own meeting structure, basically their own little world, but we try to connect them as much as possible. And then if we have a project, we always try to take like 3 people out of those teams and they make the project team for one project. So you have 1 IT person, 1 hardware person, 1 salesperson.
Okay, so there's more or less a structure involved there.